Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically warm up and grow your Facebook accounts using the MTK software. Today, I'm going to guide you through the seeding feature available in our MTK software. Before we get into the main content, let's start with a quick intro. Alright, this is the main interface of our software. On the left side of the screen, you can see the seeding function. After your accounts have been properly warmed up and become stable, you can use this feature to perform seeding activities such as seeding profiles, seeding posts, seeding comments, seeding videos, seeding live streams, and boosting engagement for your own content. Small blue diamond general settings. In the general configuration section, you can set the delay time between actions. To make Facebook recognize your accounts as real users, you should increase the delay time. I recommend setting it between 45 to 60 seconds or even 60 to 120 seconds. This helps reduce spam detection and lowers the risk of account restrictions. Small blue diamond profile seeding. For profile seeding, simply enter the profile UID. Important note, each UID must be placed on a separate line. Do not separate multiple IDs with commas. You can configure how many profiles each account interacts with, whether to follow or add friends, react or comment on posts, waiting time between actions. Small blue diamond post seeding. Post seeding has two modes. 1. Basic seeding. You enter post IDs, 1 ID per line. You can set number of accounts interacting, reactions and comments. Enable no duplicate seeding. Highly recommended. This prevents accounts from interacting with the same post multiple times. 2. Advanced seeding. You can use pre-written content, select content by ID, or generate comments automatically using AI. The AI feature allows you to generate comments automatically, set word limits, provide prompts so AI comments follow your desired style. Small blue diamond comment seeding. Here you can reply to existing comments, react to comments, generate comment content using AI or preset templates. Preset content must be configured in the content management section. Small blue diamond video seeding. You can seed videos by entering video IDs or searching videos using keywords. The software will automatically find videos matching your keywords and interact with them. You can configure watch duration, number of interactions, reactions and comments. Share to personal profile. Always enable no duplicate seeding to avoid repeated actions. Small blue diamond live stream seeding. This feature is extremely useful for sellers who live stream on Facebook. Your accounts can watch live streams, react and comment automatically, increase engagement visibility, help live streams reach more viewers organically. You can set watch time per live stream, reaction intervals, comment content, random or sequential. Using random comments is recommended so actions look more natural and human-like. Small blue diamond video engagement seeding. Similar to other features, you can prevent duplicate interactions, configure reactions and comments, set delays between actions, use AI-generated comments. Small blue diamond content duplication settings. Important. Allow duplicate content between accounts. Multiple accounts may post the same comment. Disable this option. Each account uses different content, making interactions look more natural. Allow duplicate actions. Not recommended, because actions may repeat, like /unlike or duplicate comments. And that's how you can use multiple accounts to seed profiles, posts, videos, and live streams effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Hong Tool MGT Online Marketing Solutions to stay updated with more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.